Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my class. So today we are going to discuss of our workbook page 150 to 151. So I hope that every one of you are ready with your workbook. Okay, now we go to the first page 150. So this is the question in the workbook. The table below shows the profit obtained by Mahani from her small-scale business in 5 years. So if you look at the years here, we have from 2013 until 2015 and the profit obtained in each year. So how to construct the vertical bar chart? Okay, so this is your graph paper. Okay, square grid paper. So this is the vertical axis. So because we want to construct the vertical bar chart, so for this one we have to use year here. Okay, and then this horizontal axis we use this one as the profit. Okay, so you write down the profit. We start from 0 and then you can write down the rest here. So if you look at the profit here, the smallest one is 1,500 and then the highest one is 7,000. So make sure all the profit obtained you write down in the scale in the horizontal axis here. Okay, next you draw the bar graph. So 2013, the profit is 2,000. So 2013, this is the profit 2,000. So you draw a bar here. And then 2014 is 4,500. So 4,500 is here. Okay, in between 4,000 and 5,000. And then 2015 is 7,000. So you draw the bar here. 2016 is 1,500. So you draw the bar here. And then 2017 is 5,000. So you write down here is 5,000. So this is your vertical bar chart. And then remember to write down the title. So this is the answer for question number 5, workbook page 150. Okay, next workbook page 150, question number 3. The table below shows the score of group A, B, C, and D according to gender in an English test. So for example, A, you have 8 males and 6 female. B, you have 14 male and 18 female. C, you have 12 male and 16 female. And D, you have 14 male and 10 female. So if you look at each group, we have 2 data. So if you have 2 data like this, we can construct 12 bar chart. Okay, so this is our square grid paper. So this is our vertical axis. So the vertical axis we can write down as score. Okay, the score obtained for each group. So you can write down this one is the horizontal axis as the group. So the score we start at 0, and then if you look at the score here, the smallest is 6 and then the highest is 18. So you can write everything here, but make sure your scale here are uniform. So you have to start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and until 18. And then group, we have group A, B, C, D. So you just draw A, B, C, D like this. Now we want to construct the table, construct the bar. So for group A, male is 8. So male is 8 here. So you draw a bar here. And then for female is 6. So female is 6. Make sure these 2 bars are different. Okay, if this one you want to shade, this one you can leave blank. If you want this one you want to dot, this one you can shade. Any type of bar you prefer. Okay, and then B, we have male 14. So you write down 14 is here. So our B male. And then female is 18. So 18 is here. So you write down the bar here. And then C 12. So this is our male. And then 16 is for female. And D 14 is male. And 10 is the female. So remember to write down the references. So this is 10 for male. and this is for female. And then don't forget to write the title. So this is how you construct the bar chart. Okay, next, workbook page 151. Okay, pie chart. The table below shows the favorite juice of students in a school. So this is the table given. Number of students who like watermelon is 100, orange is 50, apple 300, and mango is 150. So the first one you have to do is you have to find the total of student here. So you plus all this thing and then you will get the total of student equal to 600. And then now we can find the angle of sector. So remember how to find the angle of sector. The number of students for each section, you divide by the total 600 and then you times 360. Why we times 360? Because we want to find the angle. A whole turn is 360. So 100 you divide by 600, you times 360, so you get 60 degree. Okay, same goes to orange. So 50 over 600 times 360, then you get 30 degree. Apple, you will get 180 degree, and mango, you will get 90 degree. So make sure when you plus all the sector here, the total of the sector is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now we can construct the pie chart. So first you draw a circle like this. Okay, after you draw a circle like this, you draw a line anywhere you like from the middle of the circle to the end of this one. So you draw a line like this. Why? Because we want to put a protractor on this line. Okay, so you put a protector like this. Okay, why? Because we want to find the angle for first one is watermelon. So the angle is 60. So you find the angle is 60 is here. Okay, so you can draw this is the 60 degree. Then you denote this one 60 degree. And then you write down this is the watermelon. Now you get the first sector. Next, we want to find orange. Okay, orange is 30 degrees. So we use our protractor like this. So this is our 0 and we find that 30 is here. So we draw a line like this and we denote this one as 30 degree and mark this one as orange. Okay, and then now next is apple. So we use this one. We use this line. Put your protractor like this. Okay, so 180 is here. So you draw a line. Okay, so 180, you denote this one, 180, and then you mark this one as apple. And then the last one here should be 90 degrees, so this one is mango. So remember to write down the title, favorite juice of student, then you have complete constructing your pie chart. Okay, so for today, we are going to learn about line graph. Okay, what is line graph? A line graph is used to show how the data change over a period of time. The horizontal axis of a line graph represents the time interval, and the vertical axis represents the frequency or other quantities like temperature, sales volume, and expenditure. Okay, steps to construct line graph. So this is the steps to construct a line graph. Before I give you the step, we look at the example first. The following table shows the price of a double-story terrace house situated in a particular town over a certain period of years. Draw a line graph to represent the data on the graph paper. Okay, so if you look at this one, the price is changing over the time. So over a year, over the year. So from 1995 until 2015. Okay, so to construct construct the line graph, okay, the line graph, we can use the graph paper like this. So the first step is With reference to the maximum and minimum quantities, select a suitable scale for the vertical axis. So if you look at the maximum and minimum quantities, so maximum here is 450 and the minimum here is 150. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 scale here. So we can start this one. This is the price. We start with 0, so we can continue with 50, 100, 150, and so on until 500. So mean that all the price here also included in this scale. And then for the horizontal scale here, this is the year. Okay, this is the year. For the line graph, usually we use the period of time for the horizontal scale. So here we have 1995, okay, 2000 until 2015. Okay, so what you have to do is, the second step is you plot the points with coordinates according to the pair values in the frequency. So now if you look at 1995, this is 140,000. The price is 140k. So 1995 is 140. So if you look at this one, this is 100. This is 150. So 140 is located here. So you mark this one. You plot the point here. 2000, 180. So 180 is here. You plot the point. Sorry, here 2000, 2000. So this is 180. And then 2005 is 250. So 250 is here. So 2005. 2010, 350. So 350 here. 2010 is here. And then 2015, 450. So this one is here. Okay, so you plot all the points, okay, according to the table given. Okay, next, the third step, join adjacent point with a straight line. So from this point to this point, you join with a straight line. This point to this point, you join with a straight line until the end. So you will get a line graph like this. This is called line graph. And then don't forget to write down the title. Okay, write the title of the graph. So this is the title of the graph. So you have complete to construct your line graph. Okay, we look at another example. Okay, the following table shows the number of durians collected in 7 days. Draw a line graph to represent the data on a graph paper. So this is your table. You have day from Monday until Sunday, and then you have the number of durian. So same, we use the grid paper like this. Okay, this is our vertical axis. So vertical axis, we use number of durian. Okay, so our number of durian is from the smallest one is 35. The highest one is 75. Okay, if you want to put here, let's say you want to put 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. You have no enough space to write down until 75. Okay, so you can either create like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, also not enough. So what we have to do is, you draw like this, okay, a curve like this, and then this one mean that, okay, this is your next one, 35, 40, 45 until 80. So this one mean that in between 0 and 35, we still have a lot of number here. We cannot write down everything, so we write down the shape like this. And then for the horizontal axis here, this is day. Okay, day, so we write down from Monday until Sunday. Okay, now we plot the graph. Okay, Monday we have 35. So 35 is here, so you plot here. And then Tuesday also 35, so you plot here. Okay, Wednesday we have 50, so 50 is here, you plot here. And then Thursday is 75. So 75 is here, then you plot. And then Friday is 70. 70 is here, you plot here. And then Saturday is 60 here. And then Sunday is 45. So 45 is here, then you plot for the Sunday. After you plot all the point, then you join all the point with a straight line. Okay, so this is your line graph. Okay, this is your line graph. And then remember to write down the title, number of durian collected in 7 days. Okay, so this is your line graph. So any question you can ask me in WhatsApp group. Okay, so for our offline class, please do your workbook, page 151, question C. Okay, selamat menyambut Hari Kemerdekaan yang ke-64 tomorrow and see you again on Thursday. Okay, thank you class. Bye.